We're going to be programming a new smart key to this vehicle using the new Chrysler security bypass cable. First step is to remove this kick panel trim here on the passenger side. Don't need any tools. You can just pull it out from here and pop it out here. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, once you have the kick panel removed, we're going to be looking for this white plug here. We're going to have to remove it off of the piece of plastic it's attached to. So if you just bend that back on the back side here, you'll just have to lift up that center locking tab while sliding the plug this way. Slide it out that way. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Once we have your wire clip unhooked, we're going to need to flip it around. And right here, you have a brown with a white stripe and a yellow right to the right of it. You're going to want to plug your CAN H line into the brown with the white stripe and your CAN L line into the yellow wire. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in real quick. Alright, I got my wires plugged in. I have my red wire, which is CAN H, into the brown and white wire, and black wire, which is CAN L, into the yellow wire. If you have an older SmartBox bypass cable with the black OBD plugs, then your red and black wires will be reversed. Now I'm going to go over and plug into the OBD of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and plug our adapter into the OBD port. And then plug our SmartBox into the other OBD adapter right here. Alright, now we can go ahead and connect our tablet and select our year, make, model. So now we're at our preferred options screen. We'll go ahead and select CJD BP09. First, we need to read the PIN code. Three, 2, 6, 4, 8. Alright, let's see. Alright, the remote is working. Vehicle starts.